Hi, Space Squad. We're here with Ozzy. Today we'll be doing part 2. No, Ozzy. No. Why can't we bring Ozzy to soccer?
Because, honey, that's a huge responsibility. Julia asked us to take him to your soccer games.
But please. I don't want to leave him alone.
Pardon?
I don't want to leave him alone.
We aren't leaving him alone. We're leaving him with our dogs.
Please.
I said no. What if he gets hit with a ball? What if he runs away? What if he bites somebody?
He won't run away. He won't bite anybody.
Riley?
He doesn't bite.
Doesn't bite us.
Doesn't mean he'll bite everybody.
Riley, I said no. Are you recording this?
No, maybe. Yeah?
Please don't.
Oh, God. What he got? He brought me my soccer socks. He brought me my socks. That's a good boy. Guys, can you believe your own little neighbor's puppy brought you your socks? Everybody thank Ozzy. Ozzy. Ozzy's so cute. Little Ozzy brought me my socks. Oz brought me my socks.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so cool. Can I have it so we don't lose it? Such a good dog.
Oh, wow, you're a hyper. Daisy's really hyper. Where did Oz go? Let's see Ella for now. Hi, Ella. Guys, the next video will be being a doggy caretaker for 24 hours. I'm so excited because make sure you like and subscribe to this video so we can reach 1,000. I know it's a long way to go, but I think we can make it.
Oh, where's your French toast? I have to go get your French toast, but
Hi, Ellie.
it's okay, Ella. She still loves you.
You can see that. This is me. Come on. Go, Ozzy. Come on, let's go. Do Ozzy. Ozzy is so cute, guys. Nothing.
I'm gonna take Elle out to go potty. Will you play with Ozzy while I do?
Yeah.
Ozzy, it's Ella's turn to go out. Look at Riley.
Yeah.